This is Tracey from GiftBasketAppeal, and I've been challenging myself to use what's in my stash, using lots of my scraps to make some cute things, to make embellishments in particular. So I wanted to show you another quick idea. I've been having so much fun making these really cute scraps and punching them out with this Martha Stewart corner punch and having just a really good time with it. So if you haven't seen that other video where I show you how to make these using those little strips of paper that you have everywhere, I know you have these in your stash, you know, things like this, something like this, like those plain strips of paper. I use that corner punch to make these little pieces. Let me just show you real quick if you hadn't seen it, but you can also go back and watch that video. So all I do is put this into my punch, press it down, and then it gives it a nice little fancy looking edge there. Great for labeling your cards. I'm going to show you what I have in mind for this. I did stamp some of them out, so let me just show you. These were some labels, and I said there has to be a way to use these somehow. They're not sticky at all. I got them from Dollar Tree, and there were so many of them, so I said that surely I can make something out of these. So what I decided to do was kind of give them a stronger backing to make an embellishment. I got that one. I got this one like this. Something like that. So what I did was I just kind of cut it down a little bit. Let me show you what I did. I took this, just like that, and I took this other one. I wanted to kind of make sure that it measured up. So all I did was I just cut it down a little bit. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it and having fun. So I got it to about there, let's see. Just wide enough so I could put that like right there. Okay, so I'm just going to glue that together. All I'm going to do is glue this. Actually, I'll use this right here. Just put a little bit on there and match these up together. And so now it has a nice little border. And I really like this stripe because it's kind of like a, it's like, see how it glitters like that, sparkles? And then I needed a backing for it. So all I did was take this now and just glue it on here. See how that is? And just kind of cut away. Because I want it to have a little bit of sturdiness to it. This is so easy and simple to do. And I'll have to show you the other ones. I've been playing around, just having fun. It's very relaxing. And so I stamped a couple of these with thanks on it. Here's one I did. I'm just going to leave it just like this. Just glue it down to the center of that. Now you've made yourself a nice little embellishment. Look at that. Now I can add some things to it. Let's see what I got over here. If I want, I can, ooh, I like the way that looks. Put my little flower on here, which is a Dollar Tree sticker. And stick that right on the middle there. And so now you've made a nice little embellishment. Look how pretty that is. Let me show you how the other one looks. And I just take these, put them together, Let's try to make one with this now. I like this because it's got a nice little mint green. So I thought that would look really pretty. See how quickly these embellishments can come together? How pretty that is. Actually, I'm going to cut this away here. Super easy to make these. I mean, and so fun. I mean, you just have to kind of experiment a little bit. Don't be afraid to experiment. And you just never know what you'll come up with. And so that's what happened to me. I had no idea what would come of this. I just went for it. And these little labels really make a difference. And then I have like a nice little thanks on here. Look how adorable that is. And I could put it on another cardboard backing, or I could add it to something. Let me show you what I did here. Here's another one I wanted to share with you. Look how cute that is. So adorable. Here's another one using that same pretty Martha Stewart edger or corner punch. And I just added a nice little wooden butterfly to it. So this will look nice on the cover of, I see this on the cover of some type of mini book or card, whichever one. And then what I did was, I wanted to have something simple, like make one of those little envelopes. And so look how adorable this is with the sticker on it. I made one on this. This is the same thing. I just made it a little larger. Had my own labels that I traced out of another shape. That's how I got this shape right here. I used another label and did this. And then I just threw a bunch of other embellishments into this pocket. I think this will be a nice little pocket for like a crafty friend and happy mail. I think someone would like to get something like this. So look, I'm just going to put this in. This is another embellishment. Just fill it right up. Use that paper punch on this also, and use those labels again. Here's another one I made. This is one of the embellishments I had played around with the other day, with the Dollar Tree sticker on it. And look how adorable that is. Oh my goodness. So let me know if you want me to show you how to do this, this pocket right here. It's super, super easy, and you get to use some of your 6x6 paper. If you're wondering what to do with it, you can make one of these. So I know this was a quick video. I just wanted to come on and show you just some little tips for using those scraps up and making something really pretty. And so this pocket right here was not my idea. Let me know if you want me to make one for you in a tutorial. I'll show you how I put this together. You're going to be shocked at how simple it is. And look how pretty that is on the back. You could decorate the back too. Yep. So I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't joined our crafty family yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you along this crafting journey with me. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.